what's up? It's Elite Gamer here today, and we are doing Minecraft. Obviously, wait a minute. Oh my Jesus, what am I doing? That. So I visit. It's period. What? What the flip?
Yes, you're having a period.
What? I don't understand. I don't.
Yeah, it's like a monkey back then. Today I'm playing with my friendly bro Jay.
Hi. Alright, now this works. I'm zooming in my face right now.
And yeah, I'm just gonna let him do his intro.
Oh, I already did, bro. Bro, I already did. I just did it. I'm zooming into your face right now. Alright, I just need to go a little back. Alright, look at me, Marco. Marco, look at me. Marco, just look at me. Alright, this is very weird because I'm zoomed in, bro. I'm zoomed in right now. This is very weird. This is very awkward. Alright, let's go.
Go to OP Factions.
OP Factions. Okay. Lego. I have a key. Dude, I received a key. I got a voting key. Was I supposed to get a voting key, bro? Was I, Marco? Was I supposed to get a voting key?
What are you? Are you on OP Factions?
Yeah, I am. I'm going to the crates to see where's the voting. Alright, the voting crate. No, I didn't get sponges. I thought I got sponges for a second. Alright. I got 64 obsidian. Congratulations.
I have obsidian.
Marco, where you at, boy?
Now.
Oh, so this is a PvP area. Oh, dude, that guy screwed. That guy just went out with no armor. Oh, Jesus. Marco, where you at? Marco. Polo.
Sent you a TPA request.
Oh, did you? Oh.
No TPA request, man.
Type. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put the P. Oh, no, now I messed up. Now I messed up again. I keep messing up right now. Alright, there you go. I don't know why I kept putting an S. I don't know why, I'm just that stupid. Alright, bro, there you go. I didn't get TP'd. Did you TP to me? Because I didn't get TP'd.
What? Sorry?
He said teleport request accepted.
No.
Redeem F top points here. Right click with your rod to redeem your points. You ready your fist? You ready your fists? Cause I'm ready, boys. Yeah. I'm ready, boys.
Except that one.
Okay.
Don't move around, except this one. Don't move around. So teleporting to you. Yeah, bye.
Do you want me to do it, Jack? Yeah, that's what I'm doing, bro. That's what I'm doing. Malco. Oh wait, no, your name is like over 2, isn't it? Like over 2. Yeah, I find that kind of stupid, bro.
I found a cave, and this is where we're gonna build our home next to the cave.
May I ask, bro? Oh, dude, I got obsidian, so it's blast proof. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stacks of obsidian.
I only have 4 stacks because you one.
Yeah, I got 1 more because
look at the TNT. Look at all the TNT.
1, 2, 3, 4 stacks of TNT. Let's start placing it everywhere, bro.
Something you TPA request?
I did. Oh, I'm taking this extra. Alright, dude, I got some extra sets of diamond enchanted armor. This guy's Kylo Ren, but he's an assassin. Hello, Kylo Ren. When did you decide to turn to Wait, dude, are you in OP Factions right now?
OP Factions, and you're on my server. Can you come here? Send me a TP request.
Dude, wait, where are you in this? When I'm pressing tab and I'm seeing where you are, bro. I don't see you anywhere.
Do this over and then just do tab.
It does nothing. I did slash over and it does nothing when I press tab. I'll do this. It just said the service restarting. What just happened? Oh, now I'm out of the game.
Just type over to underscore buddy.
Underscore buddy. It says unknown command type it slash help for help.
TPA.
Oh, TPA. Oh. Okay. And I got, by the way, I got like kicked out of the fraction. It like said server restart. If you don't know that.
That happens.
So OP fractions, right? Not just fractions. OP.
Par.
Alright, now I'm going to TPA over to buddy.
Then up something before I accept it.
Why is it not working well?
We should press topics app.
What? This is gonna be a very long video since we're not doing anything right now. Alright, bro, just give me the instructions where. Do I go to the hacker cage or what? Wait a minute, is that his name's Hacker? Sorry, but you can't break that. Just go to the PvP area. The arena. And then you can show me where. Where it is. Okay? Sorry, but you can't PvP here. Well, I don't care. All these guys get some Optifine capes right now.
Wait, I'll just go to spawn.
That's what I just said, dude. I just said go to spawn, where the PvP arena is. I don't see you, bro. Where you at, boy? Where you at? Where you at? Yeah, where you at?
Where you at? Where you
Marco!
at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
Dude, I got some extra armor just in case we die. I got some more Olympian armor. Oh, bro, you left. Where did you go, bro? Let's go. Where's the ender chest that I can place all this stuff in? So we don't die?
I'm going to a PvP area.
What? I mean, where? No, I'm not going to. But where's the ender chest so I can place all this stuff so I don't lose it if someone comes up and kills me? Slash EC. Oh, okay. Now I'm going to place all this stuff in here. Okay. That's helpful. I'm going to place a stack of TNT there. A stack of obsidian just in case, you know. I think half of my golden apples, some potions. Alright. I think we Gucci. Alright, boy, where you? Alright, Marco, are you going into the PvP arena? I'm going to the PvP arena. Marco, are you?
Yeah, my E chest is full.
That guy got a bow. Oh, he jumped in. He's being a pro skills when he has a leather chest plate. Now he's running around being pro skills. This guy is the Puerto fan. Oh my god. Oh my god, someone just died. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Where did you go, Marco? Oh, Marco.
Wild.
Wild. I'm slash one. You'll be teleported in 5 seconds unless you move. Alright, I'm just standing still. Doing anything. Teleported.
I'll accept this.
Okay. Let's see. TPA accept. Hey Marco, how you doing? Oh my god, hi Marco.
No, that's my sword.
Thanks for the advice. It's your god sword? That's not even a god sword, bro. We have the same like sword. It's not a god sword, bro. It's the normal sword that you get. But we pros, y'all pros, yeah. How'd you get it, bro? Did you get it out of like? How'd you get it? Oh, bro, someone's house was there and blew up. That ain't good. Alright, bro, let's go.
Good, you can raid bases.
Yeah, can you kill people? Oh, yeah, you can kill people. Hey, don't hit me. Don't hit me, bro. Don't hit me.
Don't hit me!
Don't hit me, boy.
Annoying.
You're in combat, you. Alright, bro, where are we gonna go?
Well, it looks like someone's base is up there still, that's blowing up. Let's make a base underground. Oh my
Okay.
god. That's
We don't- wait.
Not blowing up.
Dude, how do we get underground, though? We don't have, like, a pickaxe. We don't have tools. Do we just mine the wood and start getting pickaxes and stuff like that? What, is that what we do? Can you even do that?
No, I got Kit Fortnite gives you a pickaxe.
What kit? Kit what? Kit what? Kit what? Marco, what kit was it?
Nice.
Night? What? Bro, you glitching out. What was it? What was it called, Marco? Marco, you glitching out. Hello? Can you say it again? Can you say it again, bro?
/kit.
Kit? Okay. And then tab? Fortnite? Lee?
Yes.
Oh. Does this give me... Oh, this is how you get the god armor and the god sword. Oh, and the god pickaxe.
My e-chest.
That's what I'm doing right now. Oh, wait, no. I'm putting also the armor on in there. I don't want to lose my god armor. Wait, it gives me 2 sets of god armor?
No.
I got 2 sets of god armor, bro.
You put one set of it in an e-chest and you have your Olympian armor because your god armor breaks.
Oh, it's Friday. Why did I just
One
put
of my
that?
favorites. Still our base.
I don't know why I kept keeping this stuff. I'll keep 1 set. Alright, I don't need.
Where are you? Seriously,
Oh.
where are you?
I don't know. But I don't know. Let's just say that. I don't know.
Did you go into a cave?
Nope. I'm just standing still. Wait, Marco, are you in a hole?
Okay.
Marco, are you in the hole?
Found you.
Alright, hey, Marco. Hey, bro. You wanna hit me, bro? You want a PvP? Oh. Alright. So where should we start going?
Hold shields.
Alright, bro, can we place wait. Should we like make like a secret area and like cover the hole?
I was saying
What?
make a secret underground base.
Okay. Oh, I'm starving. I need my stick. Do you have my Discord server, bro? Do you even have my Discord server?
Down here, there's torches.
Torches? Right there.
Down Discord server. If you wanted to go into a Discord server, there will be 2 links in the description.
Yeah, my Discord server too. And I'll leave both of our Discord servers in my description too. And we're not gonna leave anybody else's Discord servers. Why you put Jack's? Jack's not even here, boy. Boy, Jack's not even here. Just put mine. You know, or put yours.
He's messaging me right now.
Is he?
Let's start here.
Dude, put yourself in disturb or something like that. Oh, I need to do that. I just realized that. I forgot to do that.
I'm supposed to do it here. I'm supposed to do it beside me.
Put yourself in disturb, bro. Do not disturb. Oh, I'm supposed to be beside you, bro. Oh. Jesus Christ, this is really... I know, just move out the way, bro. There. You happy now? Bop. 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 Bro, is this deep enough? Or more?
Do it quite a bit deep because we've got to be breaking a base.
Marco, look at where I am. So deeper?
Deeper.
Oh jeez, bro, I'm glitching out, yo, bro, I'm glitching out, help me. Do you see me, bro? Do you see me glitching out? Oh, alright, there you go.
I just mined a block.
You're mining right now, aren't you? Oh, now I'm glitching out again. Wow, are you glitching out too?
I didn't.
I'm glitching out right now. Help. Help. Someone help.
Help me, help me, help me,
Dude,
help me.
look at me. I'm stuck full on. I see nothing. I'm stuck. This is the end of me. Marco, go on. This is the end of me. Goodbye, Marco. Goodbye, Marco.
I am full on stuck. Wait.
Dude, this is the end of me, and you're complaining about that? The hell?
Wait, what did you say?
This is the end of me, bro.
By Enderman.
No, this is the end of me. I can't do anything, bro. I'm glitching out right now. I just keep falling. I keep like getting teleported up and just falling down. Help me, Marco. I need to do something. Oh my God, Marco, you saved me. Place the torch. Place the torch. Oh, how did you do that, Marco? How did you do that? How did you save me? Oh, break the block underneath me? There's no block. Pop, 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 pop. I think this thing keeps glitching me out because I keep going too fast.
Help me, help me, help me.
Alright, bro, alright. Ooh, I got diamonds, bro. I found diamonds. Hey, bro, you just took my diamonds. I'm killing you. Give me my diamonds back.
No.
Give me my diamonds back then.
Go there.
Give me my. Oh yeah, I actually love redstone, bro. I'm real good with redstone. No one's seen me like use redstone, but I'm pretty good at redstone, y'all. I'm good at redstone, y'all. Take the coal too. And dude, you still need to give me my diamonds back.
If admin was watching us, would they think we were using X-ray?
Do you have X-ray, bro?
Think we were using X-ray.
Why? Why? It's not like I have it.
Straight down into redstone and diamonds.
Oh. I have a mini map and like animated player, stuff like that, and like Optifine, but I don't think I don't have X-ray, bro. Alright, so oh whoops, that was like a really bad mistake. So this is where we're gonna be. Since we found like the diamonds and stuff like that here.
Obsidian out, so we're gonna build.
Oh yeah, I got like a couple stacks of obsidian, yeah. I'm just breaking some layers, okay?
There's still some blocks we need to mine.
That's what I know. I know that, bro. Is this quick on breaking obsidian if we mess up? May I ask, Marco? Is the pickaxe quick on?
Don't one block too low. Just one half of a wall done.
There's another half of a wall done. Alright, let's see. Alright, so it needs to be this high.
Gosh.
What's wrong? Marco, what's wrong? Repeat, what's wrong?
Thank you. TNT down.
Did someone place like TNT in our base? Did someone just place TNT in the hole?
TNT.
Oh, did you? Dude, where's the hole anyways? Dude, where's that hole? Are we stuck in here? Oh no, the hole's over there, isn't it?
Home.
No, where's the hole? Oh.
Which was useful. Make the floor and like make it the floor as well. Too small, I think. See, this can be our vault area. This can be our vault. Our vault.
Mm-hmm. Alright.
Make a proper base as well.
A boat? What do you mean a boat? I like boat. But I don't.
Vault. V.
Oh, a
No.
vault. I'm not an idiot, bro. I know how to spell it. I thought you said bot. Cause I like bot.
Like birds.
No, but it's. What are you doing?
Like boobs. Ah.
That's okay. Is this gonna be the ground? Okay. I just realized, bro, this is a very dark
Make this
place.
1 block higher.
Bro, do you have Skull Project? You have Skull Project? The Optifine like cape thingy? Do you have do you have it? The Hypixel client Skull Project? Bro, that gives you a cape. I'm not using it
We're
right
gonna
now.
make this 1 block higher.
Okay. No, whoopsies. I didn't hit you. That wasn't me. It's actually pretty quick in breaking obsidian. Alright, how about that? That's your inside. How about that?
I do realise people have so much face down pickaxes.
What?
So you just break through this obsidian. It's just so they don't get so new to the game and they get trained. I watched the YouTube of that owns the server.
How many subscribers does he have, bro? How many, bro? How many subs?
Home base. That's that home base.
I already did.
Like this. Did it work? Do slash home base?
Oh, home base. Okay, slash home base.
Narrator narrates all.
Oh my
King
Jesus.
strike shot. Swim to the bottom there. You enter
Dude,
hell.
what the heck?
Narrates system.
Why do I have the narrator thing on? How do you take it off?
7.5 mil cash. Get yours at store.skycade.net.
Help.
Narrator off.
Oh my god, dude. The narrator just turned on. It's so annoying, bro. I think I'm gonna die now.
Your microphone.
No, bro. It was the narrator turned on.
Coming out of your mic. It was so loud it came out of your microphone.
Did you hear it?
Into the Discord chat.
Did you hear it, bro?
Wood we can make some chests out of.
What the heck? Bro, you can also go on to, I also have a server too.
Yeah, but this is a proper.
I know, but we can go on my server too. My fake server. Okay, so what? You don't like my server? Have you even been on it? Oh my Jesus.
Been on it.
How do you know? Have you been on it?
When you kept annoying me, and when I kept throwing those flashbangs at you.
Oh, dude, that it kind of like changed, and now we had to make new servers because it deleted every dude, more redstone. Give me the redstone.
Just.
It deleted our server. It deleted everybody's servers, and now there's a new. You have to sign in. You need to make a Minehut account and go in, and then you need to make a server.
Weird way of making these chests. Incoming.
Yep, I'm just taking this and I wasn't doing anything. You didn't see me doing anything.
I don't care.
Don't care. I'm halfway there. And I play the lead with the blame. I'm playing. I don't remember the song. Alright, bro. What are you crafting anyways? Are you crafting a chest? I'll make a chest dirt. I'll make a dirt chest. Because I have no wood. Do you have wood, bro? How'd you get wood? Bro, how'd you get wood?
From up the top.
You could mine that? Oh, it glitched out and wouldn't let me mine it. I'm kind of a stupid.
No, it's in plain land.
What? I'm gonna see if this works.
Narrator.
No, oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Welcome to Skycade Op Factions. Spider-Man Webs. 21,353. Narrator off.
Bro. What is with this narrator, bro? I'm taking.
Dang it.
I do not like this narrator at all. I don't like this narrator at all. I don't like this narrator at all. I don't like this narrator.
Narrator.
How do I-
narrates all.
dude.
Potato pie underscore x cherry underscore chen x underscore bar block. Narrator off.
How do I turn this off, bro? How do I
Just said
turn?
narrator off.
Do you know how to turn narrator off?
Oh,
Video settings. Where's narrator? Bro, where's narrator? Chat settings. Narrator.
Narrator. Narrates all. Narrator off.
I don't want you narrating my stuff, bro. Like, I try and press B and it just turns the narrator on. It's so annoying, bro. It's like, why? Started a new faction. I'm bad like you, boy. Bad like you,
yes, you are
boy.
bad. I'm not bad, man.
Can I TP? Let me see if this works. Alright, no. Alright, bro, this looks pretty nice. This is, alright, bro, I'm gonna make a line for a base, okay? With redstone.
Oh,
Okay,
dude, we share everything. We share everything.
We share everything. Kill me? Then I'm
So
coming
we
for
need
you,
to
man.
ask each other what we use.
Alright, bro. I got 5 diamonds. How many diamonds do you have? How many diamonds did you take from me? How many diamonds you got? How many diamonds you got? You got 3? So
This
we
can be
have
our
8.
chest. This can be our resource. Wait, no. No, not that.
Which one?
Resource chest, like iron and everything.
We need to make a sign. We need to get a sign, bro. Make a sign.
Need to go up. We need to slash wild. But first,
Dude, let's make a sign. I need to get out of here. How do we get out of here, Marco?
wait, just wait.
Do we know how to get out of here? What, do we do slash wild again and it'll teleport us out? Will that actually work?
Yeah, dude, just make the roof first. Make the roof.
Okay, but bro, we're gonna need to get some signs. Why is there a chest right there? Marco, why is there...
I kind of place that wherever I want it.
Wait, is that supposed to be a secret chest? Is that supposed to be your only secret chest so you can hide stuff from me?
So we can. So if we're for the really important stuff.
Like what's really important? Marco. Your stuff?
Important stuff that we have. Like. And so if someone raids our base, unless they have X-ray, they won't find it. I know. I'm kind of looking.
Alright, bro, I found a hole. Bro, hole's right here.
Wild. You do slash wild.
Right.
No, dude, just do slash wild.
I know. That's what I'm doing right now. Bye.
Send you a TP request.
I'm getting some wood, alright?
We go.
Why did you why? Why did you want to teleport to me, bro? Am I not allowed to move?
To an unsafe location.
Am I not allowed to move, bro? Because I'm moving a lot.
Accept. Just accept.
I
Stop
did.
moving. There we go. Now it's working. Say unsafe location. Chest as well.
Anything in the chest, bro? Anything?
And we can make more chests.
And make a sign so we know which one is which.
Yeah.
Look at what happened, bro.
Eat it. Eat.
Bro, I almost have I have 41, 33 now. Alright, now I have 50. I'm gonna go get a stack of wood, okay? I got 58 now. Alright, well, I got 64. I'm going back to base. Do I just do home?
I just need to get a bit more wood. You can do slash home base. Do slash home base.
That's what I did.
That's what you do.
That's what I already did, bro. Alright, well, I'm gonna... Alright, so now I can just make a whole bunch of stuff I need to do. Alright, I'm gonna put some stuff in the chest, okay? I'm putting a whole bunch of, like, cobblestone stuff like that in there.
Cobblestone should have its own small chest.
I just put in a small chest, like, dirt and, like, cobblestone stuff like that, okay? I got some wood. And I think I should have enough space. Where'd you put the crafting table, bro? Did you get rid of the crafting table?
Put it in my inventory. I'm coming back to base.
How much wood you got, bro? How much
Put
wood?
it back down.
I don't have it. Oh, dude, we can make an enchantment table. Sorry. Wait, no, let's collect some. Wait, dude, let's go mining and collect some. Alright, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 stacks. Alright, dude, let's go get some iron so we can like make an anvil so we can like Alright. I'm gonna make a sign. I forgot to make a sign though. Alright, it was something like. Oh no, I remember now. It was like this. Right? Yes, alright, but I got 3 signs. How many chests do we got? Useful. Wait, is this like diamonds, redstone, and more stuff? Oh, that didn't even count it. And more stuff.
Oh, that's useful.
To the. Oh, useful ores?
Useful ores.
Okay. Useful. I forgot the E. I forgot the freaking E. Useful ores. Useful ores. There you go. What's this one? You made a lot of chests, bro. Why do we need so many chests? I'll sell 1 million sell wand and why would a wand be worth 1 mil? And a stack of TNT for 24k instantly, y'all. Go page 2. It's for 400,000. I mean. They go for 5.4 million on shop. Just ask the public. They might know the answer, as there are not helpers. Wait. Did it say not helpers? There are not any helpers on. What can I tell at least? That I can tell at least. I mean, helper. Okay, did I sound nice?
You got any more signs?
Well, dude, did you not hear anything I said? Alright, bro, so, what, you didn't tell me anything else. This one will be like cobble.
Just that.
Block.
Narrator. Narrates all. Narrator.
Just made a really
Narrates
this is our
chat.
vault.
Narrator.
And
Off.
we'll crafting table and stuff.
Blocks of dirt. Cobble.
Narrator. Narrates all. Narrator. Narrates chat. Narrator. Narrates system. Narrator. Off.
And more stuff. Alright, bro, there we go. There's 2 signs. You know how to make Marco, where'd you go? Marco, where'd you go? To get wood? I have my mini map.
I collect wood, but it's only in the middle of a desert.
Bro, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 and more than a half stacks. 3 3 stacks and more than a half of a stack of
Can I have
wood.
some wood?
Yeah, just get over here, bro. I thought we were sharing, because sharing is caring. What are these?
Unsafe location.
I need to
Wood,
ask.
please.
What are you doing, man? Oh, you back at the base, bro?
Can I have some wood?
You,
Wait, what are you doing?
maybe because you placed the obsidian wrong. I already gave you. I gave you a stack, bro. Oh no, I didn't. Here you
I'm
go.
gonna start the video again.
Why?
Hello everybody, Monkey back again. Today I'm playing Minecraft with my friendly friend Jay. Say hello.
I.
Yeah, I'm gonna right now. I'm just gonna craft a few more signs.
You know, I'm not gonna stop recording. You know that, right? So this is gonna be in the video.
No.
That wasn't me. I'm not even at base, bro. I'm not even at base.
You just teleport away.
No, I swear I didn't. I swear, bro. Bro, yeah. So pretty much, I did teleport. Actually, I gave you the wool and wood and teleported away to get more wood. I just got some more wood, bro. You need some more wood?
No, I've got quite a lot of signs.
Sorry. That wasn't me. Oh god, wasn't me, Marco. I'm incoming.
Hey, no.
I'm not gonna kill you, bro. It's called tag. You it. Hey. Tag you it. Tag you it.
You can't see me.
I can actually see your name tag.
Let's just stop, please. Let's just
Alright,
stop.
alright. After I place some TNT down, let's go. Give my TNT back, boy. Did you just hit me? You just hit me! You just hit me, boy. Boy, you do not hit me.
You nearly killed me.
No, I didn't. I know how many hearts you have, bro. You have kind of like 6 hearts left. No, you don't, bro. I can
Get you
see.
down.
Bro, I can only see how many hearts you have. Now you have 5. Bro, I have damage indicator, so I can see how many hearts you have.
Here, I'm gonna say.
Narrator. Narrates all. Narrator off.
Narrator is so annoying. Why does this keep happening? Where do people get OP axes? Nowhere. But I do have one. I have a god axe! Hey, bro, I'm low on health too. Except you're full healed. I only have not that much. Alright, now I'm regenerating. I'm regenerating a little bit. Only one though. Then I'll attack you. Do some combos, yeah. I'm not gonna kill you, bro. I know. I'm not gonna kill you. Dude, you don't need to eat another one. Are you serious, bro? That's a waste. You had full health. You just lost one of your fake absorption hearts.
I didn't eat the one before that. I want to have the 2 hearts at the beginning.
Well, then you're just wasting your golden apples, bro.
2 on my e-test.
Two left. Oh. My I don't know what the hell is going on. I kind of have like 32. I have technically 15 plus 32, bro. How much do you have? 2?
What? 32 what?
32 god apples, and then I have 15 Olympian apples.
32 gold apples.
I should get a bow. Wait, can I do the what's the kids daily? But this is the daily thing. I'm just gonna get rid of that. Weekly. Oh my jeez. Oh, ender pearls. Oh yes, that's helpful. Give me the ender pearls. This is the hero set. I don't care, because I just want the ender pearls, bro. You can pick all of this junk up. Yes, a bow too. Bow, yes, bow. Get away. You can do it yourself, Marco. Get away from my stuff. Get away from my freaking stuff. More golden apples too.
Wait.
I told you, do not go close to my apples. Right, bro? Alright, I'm gonna go put some, so armors and tools, useful items, block, there's more stuff, base blocks. Right. Armor and tools. Give me my.
Put all the stuff on the floor, armor and tools, put all the armor in there.
That's what I'm doing, Marco. Do you not see what I'm doing, bro?
Sydney in there.
Except I'm keeping the bow, because that's a bow, bro. This is a bow.
In there. Yeah.
Where do I put the TNT, bro? Oh, here. Oh, there's some more armor.
Also, apples as well.
Put the apples in there? Why, Marco? Because you want to steal them? Oh, bro, I got like tons of potions. Where am I gonna put the potions? Where the potions one? Is this the potion one? Marco, which one's the potion one? Which one's the potion one? Which
This
one?
one.
Alright, this one? Okay.
I'm gonna back in the sun.
Bro, do slash kit weekly. Do it, bro. You ready to have like nothing in just because it takes like everything. Arrows. Bro, you got arrows? Thanks for the arrow, bro. Now I can shoot my bow. Bro, I can shoot my arrows now. Thanks, bro. You gave me an arrow. Thanks, Malco. You're so kind. Now I got some arrows so I can shoot people now. How about you, Malco? Do you have an arrow?
Cobblestone with cobblestone.
That sounded like a bow. Who has a bow, bro? I don't have a bow. Obviously not. Do you have a bow? Raid stuff. Dude, you spelled raid wrong. It's R-A-I-D, not R-I-A-D. Hello, Marco, can you hear me? You spelled it wrong. Dude, you spelled it wrong.
Okay, if I spell it wrong.
Fine, I'll fix it. You're useless.
Fine.
Done. Done! You hear me?
You should look it daily.
What?
Doing 4 clip daily is just to my inventory. Go on there. Let me go on there actually.
Mm-hmm.
Chest with potions.
Mm-hmm.
We need. Wait, you have potions in your chest, don't you?
What?
Chest.
Mm-hmm.
You have
I
potions in your chest, don't you?
No, I have it in the potions chest. You know, I see all the potions.
Okay, chest.
Wait a minute, why do I look like so small? But then, the heck? Because my
Weekly
Oh.
in my inventory.
oh Jesus, did my game just crash? I don't think so. I don't know though. Animations, all off. Now it should look normal. Wait, nope, it still looks perfection.
And wait. Oh, this all goes in here. Oh wait, the ball has infinity.
What? Customize. I'm gonna choose the acrobatics pack. I was like,
Hey,
dude, I'm checking out my new pack, my anime thing, because you can change the pack. And now I look real cool.
then we have.
Marco, you good, bro? Oh, sorry. Sorry, bro.
But look at how much obsidian we have.
Oh, I have more in my e-chest.
Is that my door? And all the TNT.
Oh, yeah. I didn't take out the TNT. Here's another one. No. How about, do you need creepers? Like 64 creepers?
Wait, yeah, let's make a sign for eggs.
Why? Do you have different kind of eggs too? What eggs do you have?
It's creeper eggs.
Oh, is that the only thing? Then just let's put it in the raid stuff, bro. Because it's raid stuff. Just put it in the raid stuff. Just put it in the raid stuff, bro.
And I have a sign called eggs.
Okay. I'm not gonna break it.
You broke the chest.
I know. I think this axe is a little too overpowered.
Stop.
Okay, I'm not doing anything, bro. My axe is literally in the tools box. You good at this stuff.
Stop destroying it.
I didn't destroy it this time. I swear. I swear, bro. I didn't. I have 2 signs though. Hey, what up? Jump boost. Wait, do I? No.
Ender pearls.
I'm not giving away my ender pearls, bro. What? How many do you have? Right there. Fine, I give my ender pearls. Alright, I'm gonna go back into the wild, okay? Goodbye, Marco. Wait, no. No, I need to move. I need to put my stuff away.
Or scaffolds.
No, nah. Like to be a savage, you are average. I'm a beast and going wild. Don't want me and nothing with you. Gee, bro. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright, bro, I'm in the wild. What? Oh, Jesus, I'm glitching out right now. Get rid of that.
We nearly have a sack. Then we have some spare chests. What else can we do?
Yeah, I can't make that jump. Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm glitching out, bro. Help. Oh, my Jesus, bro. I'm like really
I don't even
glitching
know
out.
where you are.
Alright. Alright, I think I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay. No, I'm not.
TPA request. Send me a TPA request.
No, I'm fine, Marco. I'm fine. Alright. I think I'm fine.
Okay.
Getting some wood, okay?
This is quite a good base, man. This is quite a good role.
Yep. It was all me. You did nothing. But you useless.
I helped with the obsidian. I helped.
I'm
make
just kidding.
the chest.
Well,
I
I'm
helped putting all the stuff in. I helped sorting it out. We did even half and half.
Bro, you were just stealing my stuff by the chest. You're just like, yeah, we'll share the chest. You just gonna steal my all my stuff. This is unbreaking. What? Unbreaking 10? Oh my Jesus. Chef, stop that, bro. Let's probably stop that.
What?
I feel like I'm so slow. Yeah, I feel like I'm so slow for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why. Do I need some oh, wait, no. It's probably because I'm glitching out. Home. Home. I just put,
Is this okay if I try? Am I allowed to add Jack to this?
yeah, do it, bro. Unless if he complains. Dude.
Is it okay if I add Jack to this?
Yeah, but dude, you need to remove these chests. Literally, I was under the chests. I was under these chests. You know what? I'll just send my home.
But are you gonna put your gaffles in? Look at all my gaffles that I put in. There.
Which one? Oh, apples. Fine.
Why am I getting massacred?
Just add him to the call, bro. Just add him. Add him.
Notification from YouTube at midnight.
I just made a 2-block jump. Do you see this, bro? Are you seeing me doing a 2-block jump? Dude, look. So I'm gonna sit here right now. Hey, Marco. I'm sitting on your chest. Alright, Marco, I'm sitting on your chest right now. It's okay. Wait, do you have a bow too, bro? No, leave me alone. I need to travel through the... I'm coming, Marco, and I'm gonna kill you. I'm not gonna kill you, Marco. Come on. Let's be friends here. Let's be friends here. Hey, Marco. I don't know how you're doing more damage. You know, I don't know how I've hit you so many times. Ow. You're scaring me, Marco.
Friends. Friends.
Alright, stop. Friends. 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 No, when I kill you.
Dude.
I know.
I'm in 2.5 hearts.
No, you're not. You. Now you're in 2.5 hearts.
But I add Jack to call.
I told you like 5 times to just do it, bro.
I'll just do it.
Just do it. Why are you not taking any damage? What the flip just happened? What just happened? What the flip? Why did he just leave the call? Why? Why? Why you leave the call? Why? Why, bro? Why you leave the call? Why? Why? Why you leave the call? Like it's empty or something. Yeah. Over. No. True, buddy. Why you leave me? Why you leave the call, bro? Is that a vocate? Well, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.